Hello, my name is Autumn.
It's just Autumn.
And I'm bad at intros. And yes, I'm using this as my intro. This is a recipe for chocolate lava cake, yay! First step, measure 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. This is what gives us our flavor and what makes the lava cake lava-y. Lava-y, is that a word? Anyways, microwave in 30-second intervals to ensure that the chocolate does not burn. Add 2 tablespoons of butter into a bowl. Microwave it and put it into an even bigger bowl. Then put your chocolate, which you had melted in a small bowl, into your bigger bowl and mix until well combined. Work quickly because you don't want the chocolate to not set, I guess. I don't really know. Add 2 tablespoons of flour into a big bowl. Very big bowl, actually. It's pretty big. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. And by the way, guys, I'm really sorry for the shaky camera angle. I swear I did not try to make it like this. Anyways, add a pinch of salt, or as much as you need, and mix until it's combined. Or, just you can't see any more clumps or chunks. Now add in your wet ingredients that we made from before, the melted butter and chocolate. And now mix. You want to mix it until it's a solid thing. Crack your 2 large eggs, trying not to get any eggshells in there. And then, as we have done way too many times, mix! Of course! So because of the chocolate and the eggs mixing together, your mixture might not be as smooth as you would like it and not feel very batter-like. What you want to do in this situation is add in either warm water or milk until it is as smooth as you would like it to be. So, yeah. Tips. Preheat your oven to 415 degrees Fahrenheit, 15, not 50, and butter up your trays. Also, the amount of time that your lava cake is going to spend in the oven may vary based on how big your tray is, so pay attention to that. Mine took about 6 minutes, but yours may take less time or more, depending on what you're using. So this is why I have a clip of Kiwi in this video. Okay, I know this is stupid, but since Kiwi's a brat, I thought that if I filmed him, he would shut up. And peeps, it worked. And here's your finished product. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.